I wanted to do a video today of a product that I found. Normally I'm not a product endorser at all, but this particular product deserves every bit of an endorsement from professional people like myself that do this kind of work. This is a mini grinder. I'm going to give all the specs, model number at the bottom of the video. And today I'm using this particular grinding wheel. It's sort of a sanding wheel, if you will, that comes with the unit. And I have struggled with different types of paint strippers and trying to sand things off and different things like this. I've already played around with it a little bit. I wanted to give you just a quick demonstration. You do not use a lot of pressure with this. You use actually just, this is very lightweight. Just let the weight of the head touch the surface and it'll take care of its business. It isn't really that loud, but excuse me for the noise. It has a variable speed control here, on and off here, and so here we go. So as you can see, it makes fast work for a big job. And this is the PROXXON, P-R-O-X-X-O-N mini die grinder. And like I say, I'll have the specs at the bottom of the video. I would endorse this product. It's a German-made product, high quality, about 130 bucks, 135 bucks on Amazon. So can't wait to finish up my bike here. And this is the 60 Spitfire that we have been addressing in several of the videos, and so this is just another tool for us. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe. I've got other videos coming out soon.